guys, I'm Jess.
I'm Obie.
And we are Jess and Obie.
Just wanted to give you a little update on the barn. This week we started cutting out lumber for our barn.
So we are, well, Obie is, I'm not. So Obie has been cutting the lumber using my brother's sawmill. This is a Woodmizer sawmill. It is very automated, so Obie just sits in this little booth right here and uses little levers to maneuver the sawmill to cut the lumber. Really good job. It took him a little bit to figure out the workings of the sawmill because it is very complex with all of the different settings and
took me a couple
levers.
hours. It has settings where you cut certain depths, so you can set it up so you can cut 4-inch, 8-inch, program it into the computer. Also your last cut, so you can press a button, that'll bring your saw head up to that. Just, yeah, a lot of levers and a lot of controls to try to memorize and learn.
But Obie's been doing a really good job and I'm really proud of him, and we are really excited to be able to use logs off of our own property to be able to cut them up and use them to build our future barn and eventually our future home. So we are very blessed to be able to use my brother's sawmill. He has graciously allowed Obie to take the wheels, as you could say, the helm.
The joystick.
To take the helm of the sawmill and get to use it to cut up our own lumber. So we are very grateful for that.
Here's the beams for the edge of my barn. I'm doing the 12 foot on each side, and then I'm gonna do 20 foot on the centers. So I have enough for one side, and then I've started on the other side, and then I have to do my long timbers. So I have some different sizes. When you're cutting up logs, you can't just get perfect size, otherwise you have too much waste. So I have my 4x8s. I'm gonna run for the rafters, and then of course I have a little mix in of different stuff. But I still have a bunch more of these to cut, but we got a good start on it. We have some timbers cut for one of the side. We have some rafters cut, the 4x8s. But we still have a lot more to go. I have the center opposed still to cut. So yes, we are on the way to getting our barn up. Well, thank you for watching. We'll keep you updated on our projects going on our property, the barn and future house when we get to that. But stay tuned, keep watching. Of course, Jessica will have some more furniture flipping for you coming up. So stay tuned for that. We're just getting a little sidetracked and excited about our property, so hang with us.
And if you are not already a subscriber and you would like to follow our journey, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and we will see you guys in a future video.
See ya.
Bye. Mwah.